Look, y'all, there goes Willie the woodpecker. This is the first time I'm seeing a woodpecker around here. This is crazy. Oh, I hope y'all just saw that card on my phone, but he came to visit me for a couple seconds. You couldn't land there, Michael. I saw you. Look at the woodpecker, y'all. He's a pretty little thing. Well, little, he got some size to him.